Yay! Okay, I'm back at my work as a highway patrol officer, Chicago Police, and well, looks like I'm working. I'm not trained. Just pull it. I'm not trained that it come. Like it was like beep. We don't actually care about that train. We're actually caring if there's more vans. What's up, boys? Why is there so many vans and taxis? Weird that there's no different cars like police's. Actually, how would I always leave my highway patrol officer car? Yeah, I'm a cop. Was that a train? Oh, that's cool. Well, hit this automatically so it can. Look at that. Look at the train. That's so cool. Oh. Oh, there's another one. Damn. That guy's a good pass. Damn, that was cool. That was 2 trains. Oh. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're having a good time. Now,